Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope all of you are doing great, enjoying the life. Hope all of you are healthy, wealthy, and happy. Today I bought a free inline skate by online service. It is so expensive, but okay, whatever it may be, it is a good one for fitness. Let's do an unboxing and explore the details about its functionalities and components. Eight pieces, one set of wheel, 63 diameter and 82 hardness. These are bought separately. These are not included with inline skate. One heel brake, two set of 3 Allen key, and one extra axle. Let's know about the specification of the inline skate. Liner, pretty good. Liner and frame, these are removable. 243 frame size, 80 wheel size, and 86A hardness. Very good quality, hard plastic material. Buckles are pretty good. When you up the buckle, it is tight, and when you want to release it, push down. Push down to release. This guard also removable. Heel brake, two set of Allen key, one axle. These are included with inline skate. If you want to upgrade it or modify it, in the next video I will give you an idea and tips. If you want to do speed skate or aggressive skate, my opinion, no need to buy separately a speed skate or aggressive skate. So how to modify it to tri skate, or how to upgrade it from 8 mm wheel to 110 mm wheel or 125 mm wheel. If you want to know about the tips and technique, so please subscribe for the next tips and technique video. Thanks for watching.